Hey, I've been experiencing some issues with my electricity setup.
I'd be happy to assist you. Could you provide more details about the issue you're facing?
It's about my electricity meter. I think I need a new one installed at my place. My current one isn't recording my usage accurately, so I'm getting billed more.
Thank you for explaining, John. It seems you're experiencing a metering issue and require a new meter installation at your home. Is that correct?
Yes,
Just to clarify, is the family apartment being sublet to another party?
no, it's not.
Understood. Do you currently have an existing electricity connection for the family apartment at your property?
No, this will be the first connection.
Thank you for confirming. Will the meter for the family apartment be located directly next to the main dwelling's meter?
No,
I appreciate the clarification. We can certainly proceed with a new meter installation. However, since it's not located adjacent to the main dwelling's meter, the new connection will be classified as a standard 12 kVA house or apartment development.
that works. Can we schedule the installation?
Before we proceed, could you please provide your NPRN, which is just the meter point reference number?
Where would I find that?
You can find your NPRN in the top right-hand corner of the bill you receive from your electricity supplier.
Got it. It is 10-123-456-789.
Thank you for providing the number. Our installation team will now go ahead and reach out to you to schedule the installation. Please contact us if you have any further questions. Have a good day!